September 2018 marks the 90th anniversary of the discovery of penicillin, the first ever antibiotics and a miracle medication that has saved millions of lives across the world. But what happens when those drugs no longer work? Antibiotic Research UK, Antibiotic, is attempting to secure vital new funding to make sure we don't return to a pre-antibiotic age, where life expectancy was lower and you could die from something as simple as a scratch.
The discovery of penicillin was the most important breakthrough in the history of modern health, and with it we've been able to treat life-threatening bacterial infections such as blood, lung, skin and kidney infections. But the overuse and misuse of antibiotics has resulted in bacteria in our bodies becoming antibiotic resistant. This means a major health catastrophe could be on its way. And already 700,000 people per year globally are dying of antibiotic resistant infections. We may not even be able to carry out minor operations in hospitals in the future because of fear of infection.
The nightmare of antibiotic resistance was predicted by the very man who discovered penicillin, Sir Alexander Fleming. As the famous story goes, Fleming's discovery came partly by genius and partly by accident. When on return from holiday, he discovered bacterial-killing mould on a petri dish that he'd forgotten to dispose of before he went away.
Antibiotics are used to treat bacterial infections. They don't work for viral infections such as colds and flu, most coughs and sore throats. They should always be used as prescribed. Overusing and misusing antibiotics can create serious health problems. Antibiotic resistance occurs when bacteria change in response to the use of these medicines, meaning conditions such as pneumonia and cystitis are harder to treat.
Antibiotic has recently gained the support of Fleming's granddaughter and practising nurse, Sarah Whitlow.
I'm so very proud of my grandfather and his achievements, and to have been born a Fleming. But as early as 1945, as he received his Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine, he warned that if we made penicillin too easily available to everyone, resistance would occur through overuse.
In her role as a nurse, Sarah has seen the positive impact of her grandfather's discovery. But doctors are noting that antibiotics are simply not working anymore, leading to serious illnesses.
I have seen for myself how my grandfather's discovery has saved lives. But like me, I am convinced he would have wanted everyone, from the government to the pharmaceutical industry and the public, to support Antibiotic and their call for new treatments to save lives.
Antibiotic today is the small charity tackling the world's biggest health problem. We not only fund new research into treatments, we now support families living with serious antibiotic resistant infections such as the superbug MRSA. We also provide education and patient support. But we can only do this with your backing. Let us show that we are willing to celebrate the discovery of penicillin by developing the new drugs and treatments that will prevent the world from sliding into a health catastrophe. Please support Antibiotic and let us build on the miracle of penicillin for ourselves, our children and our grandchildren.